A punctured tire on the side of the road, in the dark and without anyone to help you, equals a miserable experience. That's when a portable air compressor is worth its weight in gold when traveling. Stay tuned, as today we'll bring you the 5 best portable air compressors to carry in your car. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we have the one that's right for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information on the products mentioned in our video, you can click on the links in the description below. Now let's start. In the first spot is the DC Tire Inflator, a cool-looking portable air compressor with high-powered performance. It can inflate a tire up to 150 psi, or pounds per square inch, and it can offer 10 minutes of continuous usage. Inflating a standard tire up to 35 psi takes less than 4 minutes, truly efficient for any emergency situation. It has a long-lasting and bright LED light that makes re-inflating a tire easier at night or to help you do quick repairs when in a darkened environment. The large, clearly lit LCD display with high-precision digital pressure gauge enables you to easily calculate the required PSI, kg, cm2, bar, and kPa units. The Savi Tire Inflator also allows you to preset the necessary pressure value and then automatically shuts off when it reaches the desired PSI, thus eliminating any inconvenience and reducing the worry of over or under inflating the tire. The two-way radiator of this compact device reduces the generated noise while it's in use. This handy air compressor measures 7.9 by 7.3 by 2.4 inches and weighs just 2.4 pounds, a real space saver. It comes with a 10-foot power cord that easily reaches each of your tires, whether it's a car, ATV, motorbike, mid-sized SUV, or bicycle. It has 3 additional adapters that can be used to inflate rubber boats, balls, air mattresses, and other inflatables. After using this machine continuously for over 10 minutes, allow it to rest for 15 minutes, and then it's ready for another fully packed performance. The second compressor on our list is the EP Auto 12-volt DC Portable Air Compressor Pump. EP Auto understands how difficult it is when you get your wheel punctured, especially when you're in the dark. That's why this amazing air compressor comes with a built-in LED flashlight that will illuminate your vehicle no matter how dark it gets. The bright torch can also be helpful if you want to signal other travelers for help. Another wonderful feature about this item is that the power cord can be connected directly into the car's 12-volt electrical outlet or cigarette lighter socket. Just be sure to use a 12-volt DC outlet because the 24-volt power supply might not be compatible. You can easily bring this device anywhere you go because it only measures 13.5 by 8.1 by 5.6 inches, while its 3.73 pounds in weight makes it light and easy to carry. This incredible compressor also features clear and accessible display units that allow you to calculate and monitor the amount of pressure. What's more is when the tire reaches its preset pressure, the air compressor automatically turns off to avoid overinflation. With this air compressor, you can easily inflate a tire on a car, sedan, mid-size SUV, motorcycle, and even a bike. And the best part? This product can also be used to inflate just about any other inflatable material or item. However, it may not be suitable for LT, HT, or truck tires. The EP Auto 12-volt DC Portable Air Compressor Pump is CE certified because your safety is their top priority. Before we head to our next 3 products, you might be wondering how the air compressor got its start. Well, the first air compressor was invented during the late 18th century and was called the blowing cylinder. Like a scene from an old movie, it was also powered by a water wheel. Like any other invention, this is a product of centuries of scientific development and innovation. As the years went by, and thanks to technological advancements, The air compressor now comes in different shapes, sizes, features, and uses. Grabbing the third spot on our list is the Healtecho Portable Air Compressor. There's nothing more inconvenient than having a flat tire out in the middle of nowhere and without someone to help you. This terrific product will minimize the hassle of repairing a puncture during your trip. Made with premium quality ABS plastic and corrosion-resistant steel, you can rest assured that this air compressor will last a lifetime. It measures 9.8 by 6.4 by 4.4 inches and weighs just over 2.5 pounds, so it's light, compact, and portable. There's no reason to be afraid of the dark either, because this air compressor features an emergency LED light that will brighten your path. It also has a digital LCD display that allows you to calculate the PSI, kPa, bar, kg, and cm2. Cut down considerably on the time spent inflating your tire. This compressor is guaranteed to rapidly force in the air with a flow rate of 35 pounds per liter to a maximum pressure of 150 psi. At this speed, you can pump up a standard tire in as fast as 3 minutes. To avoid potential overinflation, this compact air compressor also has an auto-shutoff feature that automatically stops when it reaches the set tire pressure. This can also be used to inflate the wheels of any car, bicycle, or motorcycle. To make inflating smooth and easy, a strong and durable cable is included. It measures 11.5 feet and can easily be connected with any 12-volt power source. The additional 3 nozzles also included can be used to inflate balloons, balls, toys, and just about anything else that needs a little extra air. One thing to note is while you're using this air compressor at home, be sure you have an AC to DC power adapter. Upon purchase, this product also comes with a user manual, a storage bag, and extra fuse. Not to mention, an 18-month extended warranty is also available. Well, we're down now to our last 2 products. Did any of the first 3 catch your eye? If so, simply click on the link in the description box below to take advantage of our special offer. While you're at it, we want to personally invite you to join our growing community by hitting the subscribe button. You can also receive a notification whenever we upload new videos when you tap the bell icon. Lastly, please let us know your thoughts and suggestions by entering them in the comment box. Let's continue. Getting the 4th spot is the Brill 12-volt DC Tire Inflator Pump, an ergonomic portable machine which is designed for emergency. It inflates, it illuminates, and it gives off a brilliant red SOS light. The versatile 3-in-1 design, which includes the built-in standard flashlight and emergency flashing SOS light on top of the air compressor, can be just what you need in a critical situation. If you're on the road on a regular basis, then this compact machine is a must-have, along with a reliable emergency road kit. This is a great way to inflate car, bicycle, and motorcycle tires, as well as balls, air mattresses, rubber rafts, and athletic equipment. It has the ability to pump air up to 150 psi. A flat tire on a mid-sized car can be inflated by using the 30 psi in less than 4 minutes. The bright LCD display helps you set the right pressure, which is important because it will help you maximize your gas per mile average and cause less wear on your tires, ensuring that they last longer. This user-friendly, economical, and powerful compressor is also safe to use. It's equipped with a microprocessor that monitors the pressure in the tire and stops the process automatically once the precise pressure is reached. The power cord can easily reach up to 15 feet and is powered by a 12-volt DC battery. Each air compressor comes with a spare fuse, carrying and storage case, 2 nozzle adapters, user manual, and a free gift, a double USB charger. Closing things out at number 5 is the GSP SCN dual-cylinder air compressor pump. This comprehensive air compressor has many of the top-of-the-line features, and is made with high quality and heavy duty materials. The GSP is powerful and reliable. With its double cylinder design, a standard tire will be full in a span of just 2 minutes, thanks to its airflow rate of 70 liters per minute. The metal pump has a direct drive motor to work both cylinders, resulting in a highly efficient process. This awesome air pump has an LED light as well, which is great when you need to use it at night or in dimly lit spaces. It reduces the possible risk and danger if you're stuck toward the middle of the road, as it also serves as an additional backup light. The power cord, which can be used in a cigarette lighter port or electrical socket, is 11.5 feet long and has a built-in 25A fuse. The package also includes a spare fuse as well. Along with the 1.8-foot inflation tube, it also comes with a screw connector which tightly connects to the tire valve. To top it off, it comes with a high-quality Oxford bag for easy transportation and convenience. Of course, it's also flexible, as it doesn't just inflate car tires, but swimming rafts, floats, footballs, toys, motorcycles, and bike tires. Well, that wraps up our list of the 5 best portable air compressors. Of course, we value your opinions and suggestions, so please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Catch any of these fine products at a great deal by clicking the link in the description box. Also, remember to tap the bell icon so that you can receive a notification when we upload our next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we hope you check out our next video here on the ReviewTube channel.